is it?
Baby, I've been waiting for you.
Waiting for me? For
No,
what?
waiting for you. You kept me waiting. It's not good. Eh? I want to know if you got the alert of the money I sent to you.
Oh, that's small change.
Huh? 1 million?
I got it. Thank you, you've done well. You can start going.
No. Let's go inside and enjoy.
Go inside to do what? Anayo, I said you can go now. I am busy. I don't have your time. So, I know what you want now. It's not sex. Whenever I have your time, I can call you. We can do the thing. But for now, I'm busy, so you can start going.
You don't want me to enter inside. Even the house I paid for. I want to come inside and rest your wife.
Anayo, shout it. Anayo, tell my whole neighborhood that you are paying my house rent. You carry microphone, speaker, go outside and tell the world you pay my rent. Embarrass me again. See, for this thing you just did now, it's over.
Huh?
Yes,
no.
We are done. So just leave.
Baby, you cannot do this.
Leave my house.
You cannot do this.
You're paying my rent.
Nah, please, you can't do. You can't come on. Let your neighbor pass.
Jen, come on. Why are you keeping me like this?
My love. I'm sorry. He's about to leave.
Who?
He's just leaving. This man is about to go.
Who is about to go?
You can start going now.
I'm not about to go.
Meanwhile...
I'm not about to go.
Meanwhile, if I may ask, is he your cousin?
Me, cousin. It's you that is cousin. No, it's you that is brother.
Come on, you're
how can I be a... See, this is my girlfriend. She is my girl, my woman, my everything.
Your girlfriend?
I am the one paying for the house she's living.
Anayo, I said you should start living. What are you saying now?
The bed both of you slept on. I was the one that bought it, the foam. And you don't have shame. You climb on the foam and you
Anayo, start leave my house.
I will not.
Hey, young man. Who are you? And what are you doing here? Please, can I talk to you?
Talk to me. You want to talk to me? As who? Are you police? Or army? You want to talk to me as what? See, this is my girlfriend. Nothing will make me leave this place. Never!
Babe, it's not true.
I will not leave this place.
This man is a barbarian.
You cannot dump me.
They know him in the streets.
Okay, leave
Wait,
me.
Jane. Come on. What am I hearing? Hold on. Is he talking jargon or barbadish to me? Please, hint me.
Okay. I don't know. I don't care if you are from abroad.
I feed him. He comes here every
I'm
morning.
not living here.
I put food for him.
Who? Put food as a dog?
He's a barbarian.
Me a barbarian?
It's like you're not taking your medicine.
Even if you're in America.
It's like you're not taking your medicine.
I don't care if you came back from America. You must get out from here.
When you're through with this rubbish, meet me.
Honey, Anayo, I said you live here. Anayo, don't come and spoil something for me. Baby, you and this your bomba. What is it, sir?
Please. Hey, on a more serious note, I want to ask you. So you mean that Barry gave your father money too?
My father is a millionaire.
Are you serious?
Yes. Likewise my father. Oh.
She gave my father money. As I speak to you, once my father changes that money,
Hey.
I'm telling you.
That means
Diego.
that girl na old. Very soon.
Nonsense.
You know, she used to claim that her brother is the richest in this village.
Who is she?
By the time we change that money, off we go.
You see that Barry has money. And I'm sure that anywhere that money is still plenty.
Hey, plenty money.
I am so happy. Like so happy. Soon, my father will defeat the evil and become the evil.
You are princess. I want princess.
Igwe, this is the last chance, the last opportunity for you. Take this money off her. It is 10 million naira. Not just when I leave, now you begin to regret that you would have taken it or you made mistake. Take it now.
Ichie, Ichie. If I say now, you say that I have insulted you. I have insulted Ichie Opured. Leave this palace, so Ichie. You see this, my husband and I. We don't need your money at all. And this his throne will remain forever. He will keep being the king of this land.
Lolo, understand what we are saying here. How would you say that this Igwe does not need this money? 10 million naira. How can an Igwe be so poor, so wretched? Igwe, don't worry, don't mind her. What you need to do is just step down for me. Let me climb the throne and run things for this community for better. Hey, you need to agree to my terms so that by tomorrow I will wire this 10 million naira. And I wire this 10 million naira in your account.
Kwamia ezigbo mmadụ. Odogwu nwoke. Great man of our land. Ezigbo mmadụ na-abata ndị njọ na-apụ. Greetings, Your Majesty. Kwamia, welcome.
Igwe, is it how you wish to insult me?
Oh, you are still here.
And even you, Akwamia, you think you have made money. You don't see your elders. You don't greet your elders anymore. Akwamia, let me tell you. Onye buru nwata ụzọ sibi ite ka enwe mkpọmkpọ ego na
My son, you're welcome. I sent for you. Please sit. What would you like to drink?
We shall see. We shall see. Igwe, I see you bought this boy over to come here and make you a rich king. And even buy you a car. Igwe, it is not by buying you a car. Igwe, it is not by buying you a car. Igwe, let me tell you, by tomorrow you will see what I'm going to do with money in this community. I will paint this community red with money.
Go and buy the paint. Leave.
Don't worry, tomorrow you will see.
Please don't mind this fool. This is how he rants.
Did you see me talk to him? This same he-goat has been the one disturbing my mother in this village. But don't worry, Your Majesty, I have dealt with him and more of you.
Please go, madam. Please go and get him a drink. Get him something to drink. You must give me my money. You must give me my 1 million naira. Else I will not leave this place.
And I will not try it.
Okay.
I will not try it. You've chased away my man. I want to give that money.
Leave her alone now.
I should leave her.
Be a man and leave her alone.
Tell him.
I should be a man. You be a woman. Be a woman and hold her too. What is all this thing? So all of you connect to eat my 1 million naira.
And I shut up.
1 million.
Shut up. You did not sleep with us.
Ask him.
I did not sleep with you.
We will change her for you.
Didn't you sleep with me?
Anayo.
Didn't you sleep with me back?
Anayo.
Look at the way you're holding it.
Didn't you sleep with me back?
Look at the way you're holding me. You want to find me a woman. Shame on you.
I will cut your
You are a
bracelet.
shameless idiot.
I will cut your bracelet. 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 Give me my money. I will give you my money. If you don't give me money, I will sit this one. I will sit her. I will sit her. If you don't give me money, I will sit her. I will sit her. If you don't give me money, I will sit this one. I welcome you all to my palace once again. And, I must tell you that I am very happy, and that's why I called all of you here. insofar as some people are against me, I know that the gods are not against me. And that the gods have provided me with 2 helpers. One is Dabere, our daughter. We all know her. The other person is a great man of this land, a man who has shown himself capable. His name is Akwamia, seated right here with us. Akwamia, the good that you have done for me, people will do it for you too. Amen. If you look very well, you will see that I have the staff of authority in my hand. And I want to use it to make a declaration that whatever Akwamia here says he wants, I will do it for him. So Akwamia, I am telling you now, that whatever you want me to do for you, or that you want this community to do for you, mention it, and I will do it.
I thank you for acknowledging the fact that I helped you. But the realistic truth is, there is nothing you can give to me. Rather, I will be the one to give to you.
Our son, I don't think you understand what Igwe says. He said you can make some demands. Yes. You can demand for anything and he will grant it. Yes. Go ahead and make some demands. You can even go as far as asking to be the next king of this community.
Yes, exactly. Okay. We'll be ready to have you as our next king. Yes, why? He's too poor.
Igwe, I want you to understand that whatever thing you say, you must carry it out.
Yes.
So mind whatever thing you are going to say. Remember, the moment you have the staff of authority in your hand, anything you say, you must do it. Bam. Yes, I agree with you. I keep to my words. But this was not what I meant. For those of you who are looking for the throne.
Igwe, who are those people?
You have a search your conscience.
Your Majesty, there is nothing to worry about. I'm not interested in becoming the king.
Oh!
Also,
God will bless you.
Oh.
I'm only interested in making you a very rich king. And that I will do.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
As for what I want you to give to me, or do for me, I want to marry your daughter. The princess. I want to make her my wife.
What?
Yes, I am happy that you consider me worthy to become your king. I am promising you by tomorrow to come to my house. I will settle each and every one of you with big money. Get money like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. You see, I've been telling our Igwe, don't step down for me. Leave the throne for me. Can settle lawyer. Settle him with him 10 million naira.
10 million naira?
Why is he carrying it? How is he a brother?
How that man? How go here? Hunger will kill him. Leave him.
You see, when I become the king, I'm going to make sure that each and every member of this community gets what he or she deserves. Yeah. In fact, Who is selling here? You see, check everything they have eaten here. Bring the bill tomorrow to my house. Even if it is up to 100,000. I will pay. Yeah? You got to go? Man, I
Igwe, what are we going to do now? This is going to be very difficult for us.
I don't know why the gods of our lands have allowed this to come to me. Why should this come to me? Gods of our land.
But you shouldn't have asked him such a question. You shouldn't have. Now you have committed yourself.
Of the truth I have. I don't even know what to think.
You have to think. You have to really think well. This is my daughter we are talking about here. The gods has forbidden this girl from getting married at this age. She's just 17 years old. Iwe, please, all I'm asking is for him to at least give her extra 3 years more. Let her get to the age of 20.
20. We are talking 3 more years. I doubt if that young man will want to wait for another 3 years. Oh, why me? Gods of our land, why me? Why me at this time? Why me at this time?
Yes, I am so happy now. Very, very happy. Let me see if he will lick his bodies. Let me see how he is going to change his mind after he has made the promise.
Madoka. Igwe. He thinks he has arrived.
Oh.
He thinks the gods have blessed him.
You can imagine.
I will make him to cry. Igwe will see the daughter dead.
Oh.
I know what to do.
Yes. Imagine the way he was carrying himself. I have the staff of office in my hand. whatever pronouncement I make, it stands. Who is he?
Madoka. Seba and Ababegi. Can Seba let me go home, then follow you and go to your house?
I will.
You will hear the result.
He does not know that he does not know that a poor person cannot be our king.
Madoka, don't talk too much. Leave this matter for me. Eh?
I trust you.
Don't worry. You will hear the result.
Thank you very much.
Madoka.
This is how it is done.
Hey. Look at the bad men, they run this. Look at the way you keep where I live. They are planning evil just to run things. Can't you sit down in your place? Waka waka everywhere, 24 hours a day. If you only see the eyes of Rasta, you will follow me fight what I'm fighting.
To me, nothing is going to be hard for you. All I want you to do is just to believe. You will not die. Have you forgotten our father is the king of this kingdom? Huh? And he has every power to change things.
My prince. My prince. See, I think this is equally going to be more than the king. Even the gods will not let it be.
Why would he choose me? Why would Aku choose to marry me? Yes, he's a nice person, but I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
Relax, relax. Relax, you remember. Come. Come have a seat. Sit down. Okay? Let me talk about it.
It's okay. Yes, it will be hard, but we'll always find a way.
Why would he choose me?
Why me?
Oh, Mama, spare me that nonsense! Spare me that nonsense! Listen, Mama, I don't give a damn about this so-called barbaric tradition. Do you understand?
Calm down, please. Why are you shouting? Eh? What is wrong with you? Eh? Why are you behaving as if to say I just adopted you yesterday? You were born and brought up in this village, and you know the tradition. If you dare marry that girl, you will end up making the gods to kill her.
Oh, Mama, spare me that nonsense! Spare me that lie! I have made up my mind. And nothing can make me change it.
You talk as if you are not from this village. Until that girl is 20, until then you cannot marry her. You should know that now.
Now you listen to me. If you people think that I, Akwamia, will wait for the next 3 years before I get married, you must be dreaming. You people must be dreaming. And as for the Igwe, if he dares declines, I am going to take everything I have given to him from the beginning to the end. And that is period. I have somewhere to go to.
Akwamia, I don't understand you again, no. I said, can you ask me? Huh?
If somebody told me I'll be who I am today, yeah, ma. If somebody told me,
Sister, hi. Sister, what happened? This song is sweet, though. Eh? Try. Sister, what happened? What have you done?
I'll be who I am today. When I was still a little girl in this village, my mama used to tell me, daughter, you'll be great tomorrow. But here I am today, by the grace of Jarasta. Everybody wanna dance my song. All my people, they might want me to play. All the people, they might want me to play. All the people, they might want me to play.
Sister me, reggae. It's a song of the soul and your heart. Spiritual. Spiritual. You dance reggae from your heart. Yes. Hi. You see, you understand? You begin from your heart. From your heart.
They might want me to play. Everybody wanna dance my song. All my people, they might want me to play. All the people, they might want me to sing. All the people, they might want me to play.
So you saw me dancing, I put you in a musical video. Be doctor, me director see what me director can do. Put you in musical video.
If somebody told me I'll be who I am today, Gerard, when I was...
Why is that
You bumbo clan. Yes. Me want put you for my musical video. You're not serious.
Sister, I'm very serious. So.
You bumbo clan.
It's not bumbo. You, sister, please. Akunwa the princess called me. That is why I'm late.
What's the problem?
Sister, Akunwa's father told Akwamia that he should just say anything he wants, that he will grant it for him. Guess what the man wanted? He said he wants to marry Akunwa.
How's the problem?
Sister, she's just 17 years old. And it's against the tradition for a maiden of that age to get married. Sister, she would die if she tries it. Many have died though because of that. Yes. That's why I'm late. Sister, can I dance my own now?
A very big one. A very big one.
A very big one, eh?
Yes.
Sister, let me dance my own. I've not danced now. Again. Sister, hi.
I've traveled all over the city. Yeah. But I've come back to my fatherland. Yeah. The good girl in the city has arrived. Yeah, man. I've got many plans for you. I've got many plans for my people. The good girl in the city has arrived. Yeah. Good girl have come back.
Anayo, please. Please, let's go home. You're disgracing yourself here. Let's go inside, please.
Let me disgrace myself and disgrace everybody that wants to be disgraced. I'm not living here today until Jane and her friends pass here.
Hey. Oh my God.
I will naked.
Nayoma, it was my neighbors, oh. It was my neighbors that came and called me that you're disgracing yourself. It's not nice now.
It's nice.
What will people say? And it's daytime.
Which people?
Let's
Let them
go
say.
now,
Let people say. When I was giving her money, giving her all my money, all my hard-earned money, what did the people say? Eh? Now I want to collect my money back. People will not say. Let them talk. Oh. I don't care what people are saying. I'm not leaving this place today until they'll pass here. I will naked them.
Anayo, please, let's go inside. After all, you didn't tell me that all this while you've been squandering your money on that girl. Nobody knows that all this money we've been giving you, you've been using it on a girl. You're here disgracing yourself. Please, let's go.
I don't need respect, I need money. She will give me my money back and take her respect. I don't need anybody's respect. Go home and sleep. As for today, as Jane and her friends, all of them, people will gather for us. Township will gather for us.
Biko, I understand you're angry, but please, let's just go inside.
People should pass and see. They will separate us. But today, she will give me all the money I gave her.
Yeah, me say, destiny. Be careful what you're doing. Destiny. Cause I must rule my destiny. Destiny.
She will not die. Allow the boy to marry the girl. What have the gods got to do with people that want to get married? Is the girl the daughter of the gods? Is it the gods that paid for canopy? And is it the gods that will bring palm wine?
It has always been like this. This is tradition. It's been there for long.
Rubbish tradition. I will bring pastor to pray for her.
Huh?
She will not die. When I come back, I will see what I can do.
Tabir, please. Please don't do this. Don't do this. Let's see if there's another way to this. Listen, I don't want anything to happen to my daughter, Dabiri.
Nothing will happen to her. When I come, I will do something about it. I will bring pastor to pray for her. Let the boy marry the girl. He deserves to marry the girl. Which one? Who is the gods? Why?
This is tradition.
No, ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas. Igwe, ce n'est pas.
B, please let me. This money now, if you after changing it, can it still contain inside this bag? X will tell your colleague, the policeman outside in the car, to buy more bags. Huh?
Okay, this money no be anything. You no reach anything.
Huh?
This money no reach anything.
This is dollars now.
Dollars. This is how to make
Dobra.
Dobra?
Yeah.
But what I came here with is 20 million of this hard currency.
Okay, maybe we will talk some more. Let me just calculate it. Let me use my system.
Calculate it.
They go Canadian beer. Very big money. Very big money. This is an international currency.
This money is not up to that. This is 372,000.
Kamal, don't joke with us here. We are not here to play.
I can't joke with you. Let me bring my phone so I can show you.
Look what I do. Yeah?
Okay, it's not up to that amount. Let me calculate.
How much is it? Calculate it very well. Calculate it very well. How much? Tell me. I say calculate it very well. Huh? Hey. But the lady who gave me this money, 20 million, I have already given her. I have given her 3 million of my own, 3 million naira of my own.
This is Dobra, not dollar.
You see, let me tell you, nothing is going to make me wait for another 3 years. In fact, I am going to the palace right away to discuss with you. By the time I get back, I'll see you. I'll see you.
Okay, one gaba. Gaba.
Akwame, my son, it is a good thing that you came, because I have not been myself since you made that request of my daughter's hand in marriage. You see, our tradition forbids any young girl below the age of 20 from getting married, and the gods have sealed it.
Please, my son, all we are just pleading is a little patience. That's all. Just give her 3 years. One timbe. She will be ready.
Igwe, I respect you so much. You said on your honor as the king that you will give me your daughter. And now you are telling me about some traditions and 3 years?
Listen to me, my son. It is true that it was on my honor that I spoke. But I never thought in my wildest dreams that you request for my daughter's hand in marriage. She's just 17. I have already given you my daughter, so I still maintain my word. But all we're asking for is another 3 years. 1, 2, 3 years. Before you know it, it's 3 years. You will still have her.
No one can tell me when to marry. No one. And we shouldn't allow this so-called barbaric tradition to make you lose what you have suffered so much to get. I will be going back to the city very soon, and by the time I return, I will be coming with my people to see you and Lolo.
Your Majesty, a child who refuses to listen should learn how to eat the ear of an antelope.
Baraka,
Your Majesty,
you cannot double-cross me. You were among the people who chose me to reign over this kingdom. And you cannot leave me now. You cannot abandon me. Not at this time. We are in it together.
With due respect, Your Majesty, I don't know what you are saying. I only want to tell you what you need to know. And that is, your daughter must not marry underage, except you want her to die.
Maruka, I have already given my word to Akwamia. And you know it is a taboo for me to go back on my word. There are other ways. We can decide to appease the gods on behalf of my daughter. But to go back on my words, it will not happen.
Your Majesty, don't forget the consequences. Don't defile our ancestral tradition, which you, the king, stand to protect, to avoid the consequences of disobedience. Your Majesty, please, I beg to take my leave.
My daughter is still very young and has a promising future ahead of her. But for me, in a matter of hours, my sun will set. And of course it will turn grey. I'll rather die than watch my daughter die.
Your father is not yet back. I must sit down here today and wait for him. He's the one that asked me to come and take my money today.
Auntie, calm down now. Eh? Why are you this angry? Calm down. My father went to Asaba to change money. And once he's back, he will pay you your money. By the way, how much are we talking about?
Did he drop it with you? Please, give me my money if he drop it with you.
How much?
My money is 82,000 naira.
Hi! Poverty, Ajoka, poverty.
Don't insult me.
So
don't you ever insult me.
Ordinary 82,000 naira.
Give it
That's
to
why
me.
your body is hot. You're vibrating. Ordinary 82,000. Calm down. My father will give it to you. He only went to change money. Yes, he will give it to you. Just smile. Smile. I know my father.
Am I going to buy smile in the market? It's right here in my lips, sir.
Keep smiling. My father is here with money. Papa.
Hey.
DPO. Papa. DPO, what happened to my father?
Drop who? How? Papa.
DPO, what happened to my father now? Papa.
Chief, how far? We need our money.
DPO, do you want me to die?
Papa, please, stand up and talk to them.
How do you
what
mean?
happened to my father?
Do you want me to die?
Get off and enter into that car.
Hey.
You will pay us our money at the station.
DPO, because and please now, I agree. My father is owing you, he will pay, but please, don't let him die, please now.
DPO, don't let me die.
Then you will pay them.
I will pay you.
Yes. Please.
I'm giving you till tomorrow. If I come back here, you will see what I'll do to you. Boys, let's go.
Ichie,
please,
this thing you're saying is not even, it's not what I bargained for. It's not our plans at all. Because of you, I emptied my own shop. There is nothing in my shop anymore. Because of the promise you made to me. And now I've come to collect that money. You say you want to die. I will not stop you from dying, But all I know is that you must pay me my money before you die.
Hey.
Of course, we go and we hide our window.
Auntie, why are you like this? Why are you like this? Auntie, have conscience. Somebody is dying and you're talking of money.
Again tomorrow, you did not give me my money.
Auntie, have conscience. Papa, what have you done? What is it now? What have you done?
My prince.
Hello, village rascals.
Right. Is that how to show us that you people now have cars?
And is that how to address the prince? Or don't you know I'm a prince? You don't know I'm the prince. Big boy.
I don't blame you. See, let's go over now. If not for our family, you wouldn't have even smelled this kind of car. Yes, that's the truth. Nah, it has ego to talk to us anyhow. No problem.
It's alright. It's alright, I understand. But you know what? You know, once a prince is always a prince. Once a king is always a king. Yes. And you see, my generations to come, they will still have royalty. Because I'm from a royal family. But you see, you people, in years to come, years, generation, no lineage, no smell of royalty. So you don't even know what royalty looks like. As village rascals, I know I'll give you the little privilege to have a taste or to smell how royal family or royal compound look like, a palace. So what I would advise you guys to do, I know you're not even educated, so you can't even write. So maybe you look for me, you come to the palace, and tell them you're looking for the heir apparent to the throne. Kingship, princeship, sweet, man. Like you look like a criminal. You'll be very good at the gates. Yes. Then like you, maybe my dog poop shit. You'll be cleaning. You'll be pushing it. Hold on. I have a call from the magistrate. You see, look at it. I roll with personalities. I'll call you back. All right, I'll call you back. So as I was saying, I'll just come. I'll consider you guys. I'll give you guys a job.
God forbid. Even if my family is as poor as you think, at least we are better than you, if not for now. I don't blame you. If not for Aquamia, you wouldn't have smelled this car now. Now you now have ego.
I have ego?
No.
What is ego?
Ego.
Ego? I have ego that fly. Do I have wings? Hey! Ooh! Education is very good.
Let's see how your sister will get married.
Continue with the look at this bed. Continue with the look at this bed.
Obina, check very well. There might be cobwebs inside. Aquamia is coming back. Just look at this one. At the end you will see. In your mind you will see.
Hey! What are Dabere rie mo pichono.
Papa, calm down.
Dabere agba mi igbe.
No, Papa. Just calm down, Papa. It's okay, Papa. Just calm down. Oh? Yeah? At least you have your life back, Papa.
Hey.
You have your life. Oh?
You mean Dabere rie left this village?
No. No, Papa, she didn't go. She only went to do her musical video. She'll be back soon.
That musical video will kill her. If she doesn't come back here to give me my money. Hey! Oh, can't see, Jay.
Papa.
Dabere. Hey.
Papa, you should have collected the little they gave you now. At least you use it and settle the police. Eh? Why didn't you collect that little?
I brought it back for her to see it. Hey! But why should this girl do this to me? Why should you dupe me this way?
Papa, wait.
Hey!
I want to understand something. Papa, you mean to tell me that the money she gave you... Papa, the money she gave you is not up to 500,000 naira. Hey!
Hey!
Dabere buko onye highway.
Only an emichon.
Papa.
Only emichon.
This girl will I not compare.
Hey.
Papa, this girl ate us big time, Papa. Hey. Dabere going highway and I didn't know.
Hey.
I was shaking my head, nodding, raising legs. Dancing. Papa.
Hey,
Hi, Dabele.
My priestess, why do you come to my palace in such angry mood? What could be the matter?
The gods are not with you on this marriage. That marriage must not hold.
But my priestess, you know it is a taboo for the king to go back on his words. Can't young man put a smile on my face? Please, find a way to cancel this law. Abolish it, please.
Never! Never! You have 2 days to cancel the marriage. Else, you face the wrath of the gods.
Wow. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
So, one day, we are going to show the people of your village that you have made money. So much money. So much money.
You can say that again, my brother. You see, I can't wait because that day will be very hot.
You're right.
So, now tell me, how do you intend to make Igwe fulfill his promise?
He has no options. Yes, you see, the Igwe won't even dare to change his mind because I have done lots of good things for him. Yes.
Maybe he thinks you are a philanthropist.
or probably a good Samaritan. You know, my brothers, I was actually praying for him to ask me that question.
And I did not even hesitate to tell him, Igwe, I want your daughter. I want to marry your daughter.
He has no choice. I trust you.
That's good. Money is sweet. Yeah, of course.
Where is she? Let her come back. Else, I will do things my way. Huh? She cannot dupe me and run away. No way. Obema! Obema!
In the first place, here is not Dabele's house. So you cannot do things in your way in my house. But let us face the truth. Were you not the one who was chasing us away from her? Tell me the truth. Huh? What happened?
I don't care. I don't care. She took my 3 million naira. 3 million naira. And gave me money worth of only 300,000 naira.
What?
Oh yes!
Wait a minute. Are you saying that the 20 million Douglas worth only 300,000 naira?
Oh yes! That's what I'm saying. I am waiting for her. Let her come back here. Let her come here. But I can't be a killy. Not in my house.
You will not pieces her here. Here is not Dabele's house. Go to your house. Yes. Go and pieces her out. Go to her house or your house. Not here. You can go. You can go.
Not in my house. Like see a meat. Oh the man.
You won't do that in my house.
You won't do that in my house. Go.
See, what happened to him suits him very well.
Yes.
Let him go and marry Dabele. Wait a minute, my daughter. We need to find out. Because if what he has just said is true, it means I am finished.
Igwe, you don't have to think about this. Do this and let your daughter get married. Remember, you are the king. And it will be a thing of dishonor. Please keep to your promises.
Ichi, how can you say a thing like that? It is my daughter that we are talking about here. Her life is at stake. If she doesn't die, my husband will.
Lolo, what do you want him to say? Do you want Igwe to die? Do you want Igwe to be disgraced by not doing what he promised? Mbano. Ode man, I'll check any check.
I have decided that I will keep to my words. If I will die, let me die. But I will never fail that young man who changed my life to what it is today.
My husband, may the gods forbid this thing you said now. You cannot make me a widow. Me? Mbano.
Lord, this shows that the Igwe is a man of his word. He's a brave man, my king. I am proud of you. Yes. You just taught me that in future, when I make any promise, I should keep it to it. Well, you don't have to bother yourself. We the elders are here for you. Your husband has a son. So you have nothing to worry about. Yes. No, queer.
No.
Please have mercy now.
Move! Take her away!
No, please, no, I'm not gonna
When your
leave
father
you.
comes back,
I'm not gonna
they will come to our station to take you.
No, please, leave me alone, please.
Take her away!
Papa!
Oh, hey! Hold it! Oh! Oh! You went to carry cutlass for me.
Don't shoot me. I went to look for the girl that duped me. I didn't see her in the village. And so I went to complain to her kinsmen. How can I use cutlass on you?
It's not for you.
It's not for you.
It's not for you.
Please don't shoot me.
Where is my money? Else, I'm taking you to our station.
Let's look at this thing this way. Let's go to Obo Hausa market and change this money. Even the 300,000 naira.
I'll bring my own too.
So that you take, so that my life, you live my life, because don't kill me.
Better. Oh yeah, get ready. We are going there now.
I'll give you my own. I'll give you. I have some in the house. I'll give you. Yes.
Move it.
Wherever you are. Fight the gun up. Not for me.
I am not accepting it. My brother.
I equally hope it is not true. Because if it is true, it means we are doomed. It means that Barry has finished us. Anyway, I have sent my daughter to call a boy. He went to a big school. He should be able to know more than we do. Anyway, I have told my daughter to go and call a boy. He went to a big school. He will know better than we do.
Monica, do you know why I am laughing?
Why are you laughing?
Oduze is finished.
Oduze is in trouble. You needed to be here. Oduze was behaving like a mad person. Ranting.
Papa? Papa is here.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Aboy, you are welcome. Bella, go inside. Go and bring that money. No, go and bring that money. Go inside. Bring the money. Give it to him. Let him take. He went to a big school. Yes, so he should be able to understand more than we do.
Even the beard alone.
Hey, Lika. Go Kali, the money is too much.
Okay,
one. Better. Hey, Egongute.
Please, look at that money. Check that money and tell us.
Che, is it the money people are giving my daddy?
Exactly, that is it.
Che, this money is rubbish.
What are you talking?
It's rubbish. Again. The value of this money is not up to 1 naira.
What are you saying?
What
you are having here, this is $10 million.
Che, let me calculate it.
Calculate. I believe in you. You went to big school.
What is that about? 186,000 naira.
This phone we are using. Check it again. Papa.
Il est fou, quoi?
Papa.
Madoka.
Papa.
No, Madoka, you won't die.
Papa, please.
Go and keep your money. Go and keep the money.
Hold this money.
He will run away with it, oh.
Don't run away with it, oh.
Tell me.
Come out, it's me, Papa. Come out, Biko.
Ma.
What is it now? Nobody is with me. I'm alone, Papa. Yes.
Ma. Why? Who is after you?
Papa, forget who is after me. Nobody is after me. I came to tell you that Dabere is back. She's back in this village. Yes, Papa.
Ma, you better be serious. This is not a joking matter.
Oh, Papa, I am not joking. I can't joke with a thing like this. Papa, in fact, Dabere came back with a very big car. Papa, as I'm talking to you, Dabere just left the palace now. She came back to prepare for her Kowa's marriage. Yes, Papa.
She came back to prepare Akowa's marriage.
Papa, she came back. She's in this town. Papa, she's in the village. Stop asking questions, Papa. Too soon. Yes.
Somebody will have to die. Somebody will have to die. Dabere came back to this village with all my money she stole from me. No, let me go and get my double barrel.
Why? Can't you sit down in your place? Waka everywhere. 24 hours a day.
I will go with my double barrel.
We are going to meet her. Papa, please don't give up. You will not agree. Look at the bad men, they run things. Look at the way you keep where I live. They are planning evil just to run things. Can't you sit down in your place? Waka everywhere, 24 hours a day. If you only see the eyes of Rasta, you will follow me fight what I'm fighting. Crime and corruption.
This your village is very, very, very okay.
It is the bomb village.
Hey!
It is the bomb village.
Your village is very far.
You like it?
I love it.
You're welcome.
It's very far.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Dabere, you duped me. You duped me. You think you can run far?
What do you come and say to the man now? In a Babylon thing that I go wrong. Right man, ask the man what happened now, what I go on now in a Babylon land.
Hey, Baba, why I say?
That is not how to talk to your Lolo.
Look, don't fool me with that word, Lola. Give me back my money. You just gave me fake currency, worthless currency, for me to go home and die.
The man accused me wrongly. I want to cry so that Jah can come and judge the world. Oh Jah, and judge the world. Now bring my money, I'll give you your money.